This review is of Ghirardelli Premium Baking Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. And it is parve, so in that respect it's safe for Jews and Muslims. They are in the cocoa farming program from bean to chip, our commitment to ultimate quality. Well, not sure about that, but they've got a recipe for chocolate chip cookies, as does everybody else. Chocolate melting instructions, and they have their process. Let's see. And if you want to know more about their sourcing and sustainability stuff, you have to go to their website because it doesn't say here. Is there anything else? Nope. So, 70 calories in 33 chips, which is about 15 grams. 4 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated. No trans fats, cholesterol, or sodium. 10 grams of carbs, of which less than 1 is dietary fiber. 8 grams of sugar that are added, and less than 1 gram of protein. This sounds exactly like... It's got milk in it, damn it. This sounds very, very similar to what I saw for the Walmart Great Value chocolate chips. All right, well, let's give it a try. You have a strong smell of chocolate liqueur, or liquor, whatever you want to call it. I gotta say that the that's my boy. And I gotta say that the flavor's not bad. It's really better than I had expected, given the presence of milk. But given how low on the list the milk is, I can see why it tastes better than some other brands that have a lot more milk in them. It does rely too heavily, however, on sugar, since that's the first ingredient. So I'll give this a 7, but keep in mind it's got too much sugar. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.